I'm Santina with WTI, and I found some great eye drops that work well with contacts. These Refresh eye drops work great for me because my eyes tend to be a little dry and I wear contacts. So having a little extra moisture throughout the day is really helpful. Not all eye drops work with contacts, so these are perfect for me. The drops feel cool and refreshing. Once I put them in, I feel immediate relief. They help a lot when my eyes are starting to feel dry and tired, sometimes after a long day, reading, sitting at the desk, working, or even just out and about. Once my eyes start to feel a little bit irritated, I just use my drops and they help immediately. The bottle is also super convenient to carry around. They don't take up a lot of room in my purse. It's very lightweight, so I find that it works really well for me. I just carry it around with me and I use them when I need them, when my eyes start to feel a little dry and irritated, and they've been a great product, and that is my point of view.